Quick and easy U.S. Visa photo editing tutorial. Introduction. Ensure swift U.S. Visa approval with compliant visa photos. Learn the easy steps to create one. Step 1. Understand U.S. Visa photo requirements. Dimensions: 2x 2 inches, 51 by 51 mm. Background: white, no shadows. Facial biometrics: face centered and visible. Eyes open. Head height 25 to 35 mm. Clothing and expression: neutral colored clothing. Closed mouth, no head covering. Eyeglasses: allowed for medical reasons only, no glare. Photo quality: high resolution, printed on glossy or matte paper. Step 2. Use Photo 4ID online editor. Visit Photo 4ID for a hassle-free experience. AI-powered tool converts photos to passport size instantly, ensures minimum resolution of 300 plus dpi, resizes images to 600x 600 pixels if needed, guarantees correct dimensions of 51 by 51 mm. Option for digital or printed delivery at your doorstep. Processing takes only a few seconds. Conclusion: with Photo 4ID, creating a U.S. Visa-compliant photo is quick, easy, and stress-free.